Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to search for members in a Telegram group on your PC. It's a simple process, so let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you have the latest version installed for the best experience. Now, open your group chat from the chat list. Next, look for the three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to open the options menu. From the options menu, select Members. This will take you to the list of members in the group. Now, you'll see a search bar at the top of the members list. Simply type in the name or username of the member you're looking for, and Telegram will filter the results for you. Alternatively, you can scroll down through the contacts to find the member you're searching for. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Until next time, happy searching on Telegram.